today I'll be showing you guys how to make a bubble snake. So let's get into that video. So the ingredients you'll be needing is some dish liquid and water, and I put it inside of a bowl so I can dip the bottom inside of there to make my bubble snake. This is optional, but you can also have food coloring to change it. You'll be needing a sock, and you just cut it at the bottom. You'll also be needing a headband, a rubber band, or a scrunchie of any type, so you can tie it around the rubber band. You're also going to need some scissors, and you will be needing the ghetto kind of scissors, the one that's broken everything, the ghetto scissors. So, what you'll be needing to do first is you would like to get your ghetto scissors and your ghetto water bottle that you got from a rich grocery store and cut it. Just destroy it. Waste your money. Okay? That's why you need those ghetto scissors. They cut reckless. Oh guys, and cut this white part off too. So guys, as y'all can see, what I have just done here is I cut off the bottom piece at the line. So it should be like a line right here first of the water bottle right there. And that's where you want to cut it at. And this is what you can start doing now. So any kind of color you want to do, you can just add it into here. Or you can wait and see what I'm going to do with the food coloring. So guys, you'll be needing to put the sock over the water bottle. And since your water bottle has no air, it kind of will be hard, but for unlike me, it's easy. Okay. So just put it over the here. And then if you have a string out like this, you can just tuck it in. Then your water bottle should be looking like this. And then guys, you want to wrap it around, and because I have a headband, you'll be needing. So guys, don't tie it tight. Do not tie it tight. Okay. So guys, what you want to do is you have it here. So guys, just dip it inside of there. Like this. And I'm going to hold it. I'm going to add different colors of food coloring to the top of it. So guys, now I'm outside, hot as heck. Oh, keep it at the bottom, don't make it rise to the top like I just did. And blow. Guys! Oh my god, it just flew away. It's great for parties, guys. See my snake? So guys, this will be the end of my video. So please like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Try this out sometimes at a birthday party or something. And guys, see you